So how can we look forward to the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League Super Final between Cavalier and Mount Pleasant Academy without mentioning the recent Haji-Paji between the two clubs? With Cavalier lodging those complaints against Mount Pleasant, accusing the use of some ineligible Haitian players and the use of too many foreign players in a particular game, igniting speculations that Mount Pleasant would lose up to 15 points. And all through that process, Mount Pleasant remained silent. The process ran its course, nothing doing. Mount Pleasant basically went unpunished. Cavalier got some egg on their face as both teams bobbed and weaved through their semi-final ties to find themselves now facing off in the settlement of all argument on Ray and Nephew Super Final Day. You think this game might be a little bit chippy? Eh? Chippy and nippy, or nippy and chippy. Both chippy and nippy, both nippy and chippy.